About this item PSVR2 accessories. The PSVR2 accessories kit is specially designed for PSVR2 headset and VR2 Sense controller, includes one pair lens cover cap, L/R, which is compatible with PSVR2 and one pair silicone pad, R1/L1/R2/L2/RL, which is compatible with VR2 Sense controller. Please note, controller and headset not included. PSVR2 lens cover. The lens cover is made high quality materials, which can perfectly cover the PSVR2 lens and protects your VR2 lens from dust, scratches and collision when the lens is not in use. Additionally, there is a sponger layer inside the cover which can prevent the lens against scratch. Reliable quality. The PSVR2 silicone pad adopts environmental friendly and skin friendly silicone material, and the nano glue on the back has strong adhesion and will not leave trace and residue on the handle. Comfortable grip feeling. The silicone pads are perfectly cut for maximum coverage, which can be perfectly matched with the controller. Prevent your fingers from slipping, enhance hand feeling and sensitivity when playing games. Anti-slip and anti-sweat. The protective silicone pads keep your hands dry, providing a better PSVR2 gaming experience. Easy installation. Simple installation, just stick the silicone pads. It's a must-have.